Hello, I have a Trane comfortLink 2 thermostat. The power went out earlier, and when power was restored there is a ER 104 message.
Just to clarify, do you think this is a larger HVAC problem, or something specific to the thermostat?
The system seems to be working fine, so I didn't know if it had something to do with that.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If it is simple. The problem is I am in Orlando getting ready to be hit with Irma and unable to have a repair person come over.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
That is all.
Hello, my name is Billy. It recorded the fault when it occurred, failure of a relay, but the system has likely recovered now. If the outdoor unit tripped breaker or did not come on and then recovered, the fault is still recorded. The fact you see a fault does not mean it is an active fault. It simply coded when you lost power. It is nothing to worry about unless it happens to the point it does not recover. I also wish you the best on your weather issues. Be careful. Billy.
It seems to be working fine. Is there a way to reset the thermostat to get rid of the message?
This system is a bit different. You have to turn power off to the outdoor unit, AC, breaker. I usually turn furnace off, AC off. Furnace on, AC on.
The power will be off again when the hurricane arrives, so I guess I should wait.
In your position, I would put up with the error being present and worry about the reset later. Odds are you are going to have more power related issues, so I would run it while you can. Scary situation. Good luck.
I agree, thanks.
Just rate service, 5-star system, to move off active list and halt computer generated reminders.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.